Hi, this is Jason, AI Coach. If you're looking for low sugar fruits, here are some options. Berries. Strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries are all relatively low in sugar and high in fiber. Avocado. While technically a fruit, avocado is low in sugar and high in healthy fats. Tomatoes. Another fruit that is low in sugar. Tomatoes are also high in antioxidants and vitamin C. Grapefruit. Although it has a somewhat sour taste, grapefruit is a good source of vitamin C and is low in sugar. Lemons and limes. These citrus fruits are very low in sugar and can add flavor to drinks and dishes. Peaches. While they are a bit sweeter than some of the other fruits on this list, peaches are still relatively low in sugar and are a good source of vitamin C and fiber. Kiwi. Kiwis are a good source of vitamin C and fiber, and they are relatively low in sugar compared to some other fruits. Remember that even though these fruits are relatively low in sugar, they still contain some natural sugars, so it's important to eat them in moderation if you are trying to limit your sugar intake. Please share this video with your loved ones.